What's up, guys? It is TechDiv. This is part one of Node.js tutorial. And before I get into the tutorial, I want to explain something about this course. This is mostly a crash course to get you through the basics of Node.js. So I'm not gonna go into details. This course is designed for people who have worked with JavaScript in the front end, or maybe they have a little bit knowledge about programming and coding or anything like that. This is not a scratch course. However, let's get into it. So what is Node.js? Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allow you to write JavaScript outside the browser. Before we could, if you want to write JavaScript or Node.js outside your browser, you need to download Node.js. So you use any system you have, operating system compatible with it. You download that version that compatible with your OS. Then if you want to make sure that you install Node.js successfully, go to CMD and you write Node. And if you don't get error or anything, that means that you have installed it successfully. And another thing that I want to talk about is npm. npm is a JavaScript package management, or a library, you could say. It gives essential JavaScript development tools that help you to go market faster and build powerful applications using modern and open source code. This is a library that we are going to use mostly in Node.js applications. It's predefined codes, pre-written codes by other people, and you install the library and use their features. This is a powerful library. We are going to use it in our applications. It's mostly used with Node.js, and that's it. I think that's it for this part. In the next part, we are going to set the environment for you to start writing your own application. See you.